Kingston NV3 Review 2025 Honest Budget NVMe Test and Benchmarks. Most people get this wrong by assuming budgets underperform drastically. The surprising truth is that the Kingston NV3 offers solid performance for everyday tasks at an affordable price. In benchmarks, the NV achieves sequential read speeds around 3,500 ms and write speeds near 2,500 ms. This makes it suitable for gaming, content creation, and general storage without noticeable lag. You won't believe how responsive systems feel compared to standard SOTAs. Installation is straightforward, compatible with most modern motherboards, and it doesn't require extra cooling for casual use. Durability is decent, with typical endurance for daily workloads. Users note consistent performance over weeks of testing. Price to performance is the key advantage. While not top tier, it offers excellent value for those seeking fast NVMe storage without premium costs. Some high-end workloads like heavy video editing may push it to its limits, but for most users, it's more than enough. In conclusion, the Kingston NV3 is a budget-friendly NVMe that delivers reliable speed and storage for everyday computing and gaming. Focus on compatibility, typical workloads, and price to performance, and you'll find it a solid choice for 2025 builds.